Meet Pat. He's a smart guy, but his car, well, it's struggling to keep up. He'd like to use CarPlay, but has constant issues with cords. He'd like to use PayPass without disconnecting. He'd like to have a spontaneous date night, but can't make use of the screen and speaker. What Pat needs is a device that can make his car smarter and improve the driving experience. Looks like Claire has found the perfect solution. She's found the SmartBox. With SmartBox now, Pat can enjoy wireless CarPlay or Android Auto. Easy connection with simple plug and play. No more cord replacements, restrictions, or connection issues. Once connected, SmartBox automatically connects whenever Pat's in his car. Besides that, SmartBox also unlocks the ability to mirror your screen to your car, TV cast, play music, or video on USB. It looks like Pat's car is finally keeping up. Back SmartBox today and make your car smarter.